Ciwo. Kaya yi mini yawa. Hanya ba mu da hanya. Muna kwashe kaya daga Zhiko. Hanya mu ba kyau. Ba moto. Sai mu kwashe da kai. Mu dawo. Mu kai gida. Ciwo ya zo. Muna son hanya na kawai. Atamace mu abu Zhiko.
While the daily trek to the market highlights the problem of poverty in the country, it also underscores the problem the people of Zhiko have been battling with for years: lack of accessible road to their village. The women of the village believe if the road is accessible, commercial vehicles will come to their village and help convey their produce to the market, thereby saving them daily kilometers of trekking.
And we are suffering. We are going to Kubwa with firewood, and we want that we not be suffering like that. And
muna da problem saboda hanya mu daga Zhiko muna shan wahala da tafiya zuwa Kubwa.
Though the village is within the Federal Capital Territory, its people have to mobilize communal effort to construct wooden bridges where possible and beds of stone where the channels are too wide. But even the result of the communal efforts are often short-lived. While water has bypassed these bridges constructed some time ago, the gravels meant to stop erosion here are gradually being washed away before the rains come.
To 1989, aka yi grading din shi. Da aka yi grading din shi, sai mun zo ba sa kwarbati ba. To muna fama mu je Kubwa, muka je Kubwa don muna da masu aiki daga Kubwa, waɗansu daga Kubwa zuwa Niger State. To in suka je aiki in an yi ruwa ba za su iya haye ba.
But until somebody comes to the aid of these people, the tedious trek will continue. The road repairs will not stop. And water will continue to make a mincemeat of the people's puny efforts. For Daily Trust, Abdulwasiu Hassan.